What's the meaning of brevity? Brevity. Brevity.
Brevity. Brevity. The word brevity refers to the quality or state of being brief, concise, or succinct. It is about expressing something in a few words without sacrificing clarity or completeness. The ability to convey information effectively in a concise manner is an important skill in many fields, including writing, journalism, advertising, and public speaking. By using brevity, we can convey our message more efficiently and avoid unnecessary details that might bore or confuse our audience. In summary, brevity means being brief and to the point, which is essential for effective communication in today's fast-paced world.